If you have early onset or congenital blindness and you learn to read Braille early in life, your brain works differently when you're reading Braille than someone with late onset blindness who learned to read later in life. Researchers used fMRI imaging to study the brains of people with early onset blindness while they were reading Braille. Now, fMRI measures blood flow in the brain, so it gives us a pretty good picture of how active different areas of your brain are while you're doing some task. The study found that early onset blind readers use their visual cortex, the part of the brain that normally processes what we see, while they're reading Braille. Because our brains are still so plastic when we're young, the visual processing areas of the brain in people with early onset blindness are repurposed for other tasks. So it's a really remarkable example of neuroplasticity in the brain. There unfortunately hasn't been much research on the cognitive linguistics of Braille reading, but one person who's starting to do a lot of work in this area is actually a friend of mine, a professor at Rice University named Robert Engelbretson, and I'll put 2 podcast interviews he's done about his research and some of the cool things we're learning in the description if you want to check that out.